Well, my dear students, today we discuss the last session related to the chapter, that is modified full black form. Here, what is modified block form? It means in modified block format letters, all text is left aligned except the author's address, date and closing. Paragraphs are not indented and the author's address, date and closing begins at the center point. In modified blank layout is quite common in business letter. It is traditional and quite popular. It is different by comparing with full black style. In this style, the date, sign off, signature line begin at the center point of the center page of the letters. Here the format of the modified block format. Here the address are generally written in right side corner of the letters, and by giving double line spacing we use the date. It is also written in double line spacing in right side corner of the letter. After using double line spacing, the another part of the letter started, that is inside address. It is started with left side margin of the letter, that is in full black form style. After using double line spaces, the salutations are started in left side margin of the letter, that is in full black style. Thereafter, all the body of the letters, that is opening paragraph, main paragraphs and closing paragraphs are in full black style, that is started with left side margin of the letters, and we use the double line space in between one paragraph to another. After completion of the body of the letters, by using the double line spacing, we use the complementary close and signature in the right side corner of the letters. Thereafter, enclosures and other points written in left side corner of the letter, that is in full black form style. It is the modified blank format style. Generally, some business organizations, firms and organizations follow this type of business letters. In modified block form, the style is modification of the full black form. It eliminates the shortcomings of the full black style by keeping the date and complementary close on the right in their usual position. The inside address is in blank form. Second feature is the salutation and the complementary close are followed by a comma. However, many firms now do not use the comma after the salutation and the complementary clauses. Another feature is all the paragraphs begin at the left margin and there should be space in between the paragraphs. Then another feature is this is the most popular form as it has most of the advantages of the full black forms without its disadvantages. It appears. Another point is less formal than block style. Another feature is return address, closing phrase and signature are alleged on the right margin. Another feature is refer to picture for detail. These are all the features of this type of letters. Then it is one of the format of the examples of the modified blank letters. Here the address is written in center place of the letters, like tab number 45, Brock Drive, Prozip number 6103, June 2020. Like that, the address are written in center place of the letter in this style. Thereafter, after giving double line spacing, the inside address is written in full black style, that is written in left side margin of the letter. Here, according to the example, Mr. Ed Mobile, regional manager, Amigos Restaurant, 54 Kenmore Road, Revenue, Chicago. It is the inside address of the letter. Then salutation. We write the salutation after giving double line spacing, that is dear Mr. Moody. Then we write the body of the letters after using double line spacing. The first line of each paragraphs are full block style, and it is written in single line spacing. According to that, on Friday, July 6, 2020, my friend and I had dinner at your Freeport location. We had been looking forward to visit for months, but unfortunately, our experience did not live up to our expectations. We had show service and cold food. First paragraph. Then after using the double line spacing, the second paragraph started. Since this restaurant has only been open for a month, we understood that the staff may not have been experienced enough to handle such a large crowd. However, we waited over 30 minutes once we sat down for someone to even take our drink order. Although our server was friendly and very apologetic, we still look for too long to serve us. As a result, our food was cold when it finally arrived. We tried to settle our dissatisfaction that night with the manager. She did not think the complaint warranted the full refund and only took charges of one of our appetizers. Then enclosed is a copy of our bill. I would appreciate a full refund. I will look forward to check over the full amount what we paid in Amigo restaurant gift card. We use willing to give your establishment another chance. Please send refund to my address above. You may also contact me. Phone number is mentioned. Sincerely, complimentary close signature are mentioned and enclosures also mentioned. This is the one of the style operating the full block form letters. Then why the business letters are important? The question arises, why the business modified letters are important in any letters. Like all letters, concise, well written contents are important for getting your messages across your reader. Using a familiar letter format such as modified block style shows the recipient your professionalism.